How to create an ATS-friendly CV that gets you shortlisted when applying for cabin crew jobs or any other jobs in the aviation industry, with all the best airlines in the world. You probably have heard of this word ATS. It simply means Applicant Tracking System. It's the software that scans your CV before a human even sees it. If your CV isn't ATS-friendly, boom, it gets rejected instantly. Even if you're the perfect fit. ATS looks for keywords, layout, structure, and format. It's used by top airlines Emirates, Qatar, Etihad, Flydubai, and even AirAsia. Why some CVs get rejected. Here's why your CV may never make it to the recruiter's screen. Using creative templates that ATS can't read. Saving your file in image format. Using fancy fonts or too many columns. Not including aviation-specific keywords. Poor grammar or vague descriptions, and finally attaching blurry, low-quality passport photos. In this video, I will show you how to create an ATS-friendly CV at your home without paying anyone to do it for you. And the tools we will be using are completely free for everyone to use. I will try to use the simplest language possible I can, so everyone can understand every detail. So, make sure to watch this video to the very end. Let me show you how to create a professional, clean, ATS-friendly CV that works for aviation jobs, using Canva and Chat GPT. For the purpose of this job, we will be applying with Emirates. That is cabin crew position with Emirates. But before we get started, you must meet all the basic requirements for the job you want to apply. For example, for most of cabin crew jobs, you must have customer service experience. So, if you don't have, then that would be auto-rejection. Also, there are a few questions you are supposed to answer or fill in. For example, there is this of whether you are willing to serve alcohol even on holidays. The answer must be yes. Otherwise you will be rejected even if your CV was ATS-friendly and you met all the basic requirements. My advice is, when filing in these questionnaires, also fill them in favor of the airlines. I did a video on how to answer these questions when applying cabin crew position with Emirates, so make sure to watch it. I will link it. The questions are almost the same for all airlines, so make sure to watch it. Okay, let's get started. Step 1 is use Chat GPT to write winning content. But you should make a few edits to the content, as Chat GPT can be too robotic at times. But if you are too lazy to make the edits, I will share with you the prompt to give Chat GPT so you don't have to make any edits. In case you are wondering, Chat GPT is an AI-powered chatbot created by OpenAI. It can understand and generate human-like text based on the input it receives. You can use Chat GPT to ask questions, write content, learn or explain things, get help with tasks, translate languages, brainstorm ideas, or summarize documents. It's like chatting with a very smart assistant that never sleeps. While Canva is a free, easy-to-use graphic design tool that helps you create professional-looking visuals, even if you have zero design experience. You can use Canva to design CVs, presentations, posters, flyers, business cards, and logos, among many other designs. If you do not have a Chat GPT account, please create one. You can open it from the browser or download the app. The reason why I recommend you create an account first is because sometimes, if not logged in, you may lost your work, but when logged in, your previous work is always saved, so even if you refresh the page accidentally, you still have access to it. So, once you are logged in, here's a powerful and clear prompt you can give Chat GPT. The prompt to use is, I'm applying for a cabin crew job with Emirates. Here is my current CV attached. Please rewrite it into a professional, ATS-friendly CV that matches aviation industry standards and Emirates requirements. It should include a strong summary, relevant skills, properly formatted experience, and be ready to submit without any further edits. Keep it concise, well-structured, and use industry keywords. Do not include anything that's not in my original CV unless necessary for ATS optimization. Just before we continue, I want to quickly mention something important. I've been getting so many emails, DMs, and comments from people saying, I want to become a cabin crew member, but my English isn't good enough. Or, I understand English perfectly, but when it's time to speak, I freeze. Honestly, you're not alone. A lot of amazing candidates miss opportunities just because they lack confidence in their English. Some even get rejected at interviews, not because they weren't qualified, but because they couldn't express themselves fluently. That's exactly why I started a brand new channel called Master Fluent English. It's a warm, safe space where we're learning English together with real tips, practical speaking exercises, interview tricks, and the kind of support I wish I had when I was starting. So, if you've ever doubted your English or felt nervous about speaking, this is for you. Also, if you find yourself telling yourself, I can read and understand everything in English but can't speak, this channel is also for you. Tap the link in the description and come grow with us. If you can understand, you can absolutely speak. You just need the right guide and a little push. And of course, it is free to join for everyone. Before you upload, make sure your existing CV includes all your experience, education, and skills. Attach it as a Word or PDF file. Once you have uploaded and pressed send, Chat GPT will generate a strong professional summary, key skills recruiters are searching for, that is teamwork, safety procedures, emergency response, and passenger service. There is also an option of copying and pasting the job description to the Chat GPT, but with the correct prompt, that is not necessary. Step 2 is to design it in Canva. Head over to canva.com and search ATS-friendly CV templates. Choose one with a simple, one-column layout, clear headings, that is, education, experience, and skills. Also, choose one with basic fonts like Arial or Calibri, no decorative icons or images in the text. Fill in the sections with what Chat GPT gave you. Keep it neat, use bullet points, no emojis, no text in boxes. Maintain the font size and style, so here we will literally be copy-pasting everything from Chat GPT. In our case, we will be using a one-page, but if you have a very long working history, feel free to create up to 3 pages. The only time your CV should not exceed 1 page is when creating a CV that you will bring to the assessment day. Click the share button on the top left corner to download. And please, it should be in PDF format, don't forget this. Remember, you will be required to upload the passport photo when submitting your application. So in this video, we will only attach the photo on the assessment day CV. For the assessment day CV, it should be a one-page CV, one the recruiter can clearly see everything in seconds. The 3-page CV is one you will upload online, and as mentioned, it can either be a 1-page, 2, or 3, so make 3 the maximum. You can choose to attach the passport size photo, but still, if you choose not to, you are good to go. 90% of you that watch my videos regularly have not yet subscribed to my channel. This has always blown my mind a little bit, so please, before we continue, if you like my videos and like what I do and would want to support me, just do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, and I will always make sure this channel is better for you every single day. Okay, now let's do the one-page CV to bring to the assessment day. This is the CV. You can use images, tables, and airlines color codes. That's why you will see so many CVs online from candidates who got the job. And everything is free on Canva. For the CV you submit online, it should be PDF format, but for this one, download it in an image format that is either PNG or JPG. You can choose to maintain the colors used. It's not a must to use the airline's color codes, but I highly recommend it. You never know, the recruiter may like you for the effort you made. And clearly, this shows you really want to be a cabin crew with the airline and you really care.
And besides, it's so easy to create stunning posts and more using Canva.
If you choose to use the airline's color codes, just play along with the colors. You can search the color codes on your browser, then you paste the name on Canva, or the easiest way is to download the airline's logo, and Canva will do all the work for you. I'm assuming this one is easier for everyone watching this video, but if you have difficulty making the edits,
let me know
in a comment and I will explain everything to you. For this assessment day CV, make it shorter, so back to Chat GPT. We will ask it to make our CV shorter without omitting the important details. We will then paste it, just like we did. This is the CV you must attach your photo. That is the passport-size photograph, in formal attire, and with a white background. Your photo matters. Here's what your CV photo should look like. High resolution, it should be clear and bright. Passport style or full body depending on airline requirements. Keep it professional, no selfies, no filters, no sunglasses. For the ladies, keep your hair neatly tied in a low bun, and your makeup should be visible. For the men, keep short and neat haircut. Poor photo quality can ruin a great CV, so please invest in a good one. Once done, you can now download it, and remember, it should be in image format. Once you download or save it, it will be saved on your phone or the PC. I highly recommend using a laptop. It is easier than using a phone. Yes, you can still use your phone, but it will be a lot of work. Also, always remember to rename them, especially the one you are supposed to upload to the airline's careers portal. But wait, your experience still matters. Even the best CV can't cover for a lack of experience or qualifications. Airlines want candidates with a customer service or hospitality background, strong communication skills, fluency in English, confidence, teamwork, and cultural awareness. So while a perfect CV helps you get shortlisted, your experience and attitude get you hired. A cover letter is not a necessity, but a few of you requested information about how to create a cover letter, so I will do another video talking about what a cover letter is, how it should be done, and how to create it. If you still find it difficult to create these 2 CVs, I am offering the 2 templates at a small fee. Check the details in the description box, but I hope no one is having difficulty creating one for themselves because I have explained everything. And guys, that's it for today. I have put so much effort on this video, so I hope it will be helpful to you.